I need to come up to the school. Who I need to speak with? But come and talk to me. I really want to know your name.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach them fashion, lifestyle, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. But hey guys, welcome back y'all. So this video is going to be super fun. I don't think I've ever done a review video like this, so let's get into it. The company Firmoo sent me two different glasses that we're going to try on today, okay? I know we're going into 2025 and we have to elevate. Knock it up a couple of notches, girl. We're going into the office. A lot of people are returning from working from home into the office, or if you're starting like a corporate job, this is good. You look at your phone all the time. You need some blue light glasses, okay? We're getting older, finer, and wiser, okay? We're in our 30s. Bring it on in, okay? So let's get into it. I really like the packaging that Firmoo does. This is super cute, and the case is very sturdy. So if you're gonna throw this in your purse, if you're gonna put it in your suitcase, girl, they got you. And a lot of people like to keep their eyewear in their car or in their desk. It's always gonna stay protected in this super cute case, okay? Let's open it. All right, so in here they have their little care instructions and how you can contact them. This is a cute little booklet. See the world better in a better light. I like that. Right now, Firmoo is having a super sale for Christmas. They are having a buy one, get one free plus 20%. Okay, this is what the glasses look like. Let's do the first one. Y'all, look at these. Are giving cheetah girls. These are giving sophisticated. This is giving, baby, did you reread your paperwork before you came to me? That's what these are giving. Okay, let's try these on and see what they look like. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Parent teacher conference. Hello. I need to come up to the school. Who I need to speak with? Where's the principal? Principal. Y'all. Ooh, I like these. I feel like these are a showstopper. Like, people will walk up to you and ask you where you get these from. These are cute. Y'all know it's cute when I fix my hair like this. Y'all, look at these glasses. I'm going to link the name right here and also in the description box so you can know the exact pair of glasses I got. But y'all, these are super cute. They fit good too. They're not like clenching my head. And I got a wig on and it's not clenching, okay? Super cute, girl. I like these. And it also comes with a good, like, what is this called? A glasses case? Super cute. And it has the logo right here, Firmoo. Ooh, we might have a little competition on our hands because those was cute. Those was cute. Those was very much cute. Okay, these are the second pair. Let's see what they are giving. Let me open it up. Let's see what these are giving. Cleaning cloth pouch. But how do you want it? Hey, come and talk to me. I really want to know your name. Girl. Yeah, baby. Where's my purse? 1 second. Let me add. Valet, thank you. It's that, yeah, the Tesla. Yeah, that one over there. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all, and when I say these frames are pitch black, that's how I like it. You don't need, look, we don't need to be making eye contact. Y'all remember during COVID? 6 feet. Huh? Why? What? Y'all, these are sunglasses. Look, I have these bright lights all around me. The gold detailing right here. I told y'all 2025 we're gonna step it up a notch, baby. Look, I don't even want to take my purse off with these glasses. Wait, and y'all know we do like this. Y'all know what these glasses remind me of? That mom from oh my gosh, with Lindsay Lohan, and she was a twin. And the stepmom, she was about to marry the dad, and she was going like this. Very, very collegiate, very on top of it, very je ne sais quoi. Y'all. Thank you so much to Firmoo for sending me these glasses. Hold on. I am obsessed. Y'all, which one is your favorite? Okay, let me put these back on. I need to figure out which one's my favorite. Hold on. Okay, so we got the... Oh! Fine gal! Oh! Okay, we got these sunglasses. Girl, let me see if these ones go with the purse. And these are blue light, okay? So, these are blue light, so when I'm like reading my computer screen, when I'm on my phone, they protect your eyes, okay, from the Blu-ray lights and the beams that come out of these electronic y'all, girl, this is giving me Tumblr vibes. This is giving me work-life balance. This is giving me Sex in the City, a little Clueless. Wow. Thank you so much to Firmoo for sending me these cute frames. Okay, I'm gonna leave my coupon code across the screen and also in the description box so you can save you some coins. But y'all, don't say I didn't put you on. 2025, let's retire our Dollar General Family Dollar reading glasses and get you some frames for Firmoo. And also, if you do have prescriptions, they have the lenses, okay? You put in you tell them your prescription and they swap them out. Girl. And then please let me know which ones you like down in the comments. Girl, I don't know. Is this giving Hillary Banks? What is it? Bye y'all. Let me go run these errands, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. Make sure you hit that description box so you can get the exact frames that I got. Again, these are the sunglasses and these are the Blu-ray glasses. Firmoo is having a buy one get one sale. On top of that, with 20% on top with my coupon code, baby, what are you doing? It's a win-win situation. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.